everybody, welcome back to the lab and thank you for joining me today. I'm just having a little look outside and it's actually snowing here. So what's the weather like where you are? Right, today we are going to be learning to write the letter C. So grab yourself a pen or a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. I'll see you in a moment. So in this lesson, we're learning how to write the letter C in print form. All print form means is that it's not joined up. If your child is learning how to do joined up writing, then head over to my cursive video. Right, let's get started. So first of all, we trace it. Then we copy it. And we're going to write it from memory. So we cover these up, no peeking. Finally, put your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. It's not too bad, that one. I'm quite impressed with that. Once your child has got the hang of that and they've practiced it a few times, they're going to have a go at writing it on some lines. So I'm going to move this up. Now C is a middle zone letter and all that means is it reaches halfway up between the bottom and the top line. On the sheet that I'm using, the middle zone is shaded in grey. Now, the only reason I've done that is to make it really easy to see where the middle zone sits. It's just one less thing for your child to think about when they're trying to do their letter formation and remember what it looks like and how the hand should move, because it can be quite tricky for little people to do that. If you'd like a copy of this template, I've put a link for it in the description below. If you decide not to use this template, then just see if you can get some paper that's got quite wide lines. Right, let's have a go at writing it on the line. So we start off near the top of the middle zone and we go around and flick up a bit at the end. And again. And again. Starting up from the top and it curls all the way around. Another thing you can do when your child is a bit more confident with this, get them to say the letter sound and the letter name when they're writing it. So we'd say K is C. Is C. K is C. The reason we do this is it helps them link the sound of the letter and the name of the letter to this one symbol. So when they've finished, get them to have a look at their C's that they've written and pick the one that they think is the best. This is their chance to be the teacher. So which do they like? I think I'm going to pick this one, so I'm going to give it a tick. Now, just as a reminder, if your child finds it a bit tricky to write this on the line, then feel free to write it in a different coloured felt tip and get them to trace it. Just do whatever you need to do to support your child because letter formation can be quite tricky. Thank you so much for joining me today in the lab. Do let me know how your child's got on in the comments below, or if you've got any questions then also post those. And please remember to subscribe so that you know when my next lesson is up and running. Okay, have a fantastic day. Bye.